picking my pie. Pepperoni, mushrooms, don't be shy. I'm smiling wide, knowing I'm about to devour a slice of heaven, my rap superpower.
Ooh! What if I told you I produced that entire song utilizing only AI? By filling out a couple prompts, AI completely generated that entire song for me. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that utilizing an amazing cloud-based tool called Sono AI. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Boom. So Sono AI, there's a free version and then there's a paid version. So it's, if you're familiar with Midjourney, where Midjourney you can go and search artists or people that have created images and stuff like that. Sono is the same, where you could hear stuff that people have produced, and then you can also create some cool things. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create stuff. But first, let me show you some of the stuff that's already been created. So I'm just going to go through the Sono showcase. This one's called "Oh My Love." Let's listen to it.
Oh my love, my friend, you know, it's been a while without thinking of you.
That is completely generated by a few prompts with AI. It's crazy. Ah! Ooh, it sounds like Ariana Grande.
You can be my golden sunshine, baby. You can be the one I call mine.
Whoa. Heat. Let's check out some rap. I'm a fan of old school hip hop. Let's go ahead and check out some rap. Ooh, okay. Boss Ross cover letter. Bob Ross.
Yo, Bob Ross, you the boss, no debate. You painting masterpieces, making colors vibrate with your fro and your soft voice. You bring peace, watching the joy of painting puts my mind at ease. Every stroke of your brush is a work of.
Not this again, not this again. What my other side got.
Okay, so you guys get the point. Now let's go ahead and create a couple. Let's go ahead and create a couple songs, and let's see how we can. Let's go ahead and create a couple songs. All right, these were a couple songs that I had created in the past. So Sunshine State of Mind, Rise Above, Soar, Ghosts, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to create a new song today. So let's do an old school hip hop, East Coast rap song about, let's do about pizza. Then all we have to do is hit create. You can go in the custom mode right up here. You can go up in the custom mode right here, and then it'll drop it down, and you can type in your own lyrics and all that other stuff. So let's do music style. Boom. I like the custom because you can, it kind of generates your own stuff, or you can generate your own things. So let's do the regular version first. Boom. And then let's just hit create. Let's see what happens. This is so cool because it does it really quick. I'm going to do this in real time. Unless it takes too long, then I'm going to pause the video. But I'm going to do it in real time. But look at that. Slice of Heaven. Now, keep in mind, it doesn't do a full song. At least the version that I have doesn't do a full song. But I get, let me see how many credits I get. So right now I think I'm on this plan, the basic plan. It's free. It's like 50 credits and it renews daily. So I don't use it every day. And then the pro plan, you can read it. Check it out. Sono.com. Let's go back to what we created. Slice of Heaven. We got two. Let's check it out.
I'm the lyrical master, rhyming so swift. Talking about a food that gives me a lift. It's the slice of heaven, my favorite dish. East Coast rap, y'all can't resist. I step up to the mic, drop rhymes so mean. I'm talking about a pizza, hot and supreme, with the dough so crispy, the cheese so melty, topping so flavorful, gets me wealthy. I'm in the pizza parlor, picking my pie, pepperoni, mushrooms, don't be shy. I'm smiling.
That was pretty tight. Let's check out this one. This is another version. Let's check it.
I'm the lyrical master, rhyming so swift. Talk about a food that gives me a
Not my
lift.
vibe.
It's the slice of heaven, my favorite. I'm the lyrical master, rhyming so swift. Talk about a food
This is the
that
best
gives
one.
me a
This is the best one.
lift. It's the slice of heaven, my favorite dish.
I'm gonna
East
go ahead
Coast
and
rap,
download
y'all
this, and I'll
can't
place
resist. I step
a
up
link
to
to this song that was created on this video. I'm gonna download it, and then I'll place it in the YouTube link so you guys can check it out and listen to it. Let's do another one before we jump off. So let's do an indie country song. Indie country song about um I'm thinking roller skating rinks. Let's do roller skating. Let's see what happens, right? Again, I'm going to do this in real time, so roller skating dreams, indie country sweet nostalgia. Yo, how cool is this tool? If you guys try out this tool, like please comment and be like, yo, this tool was freaking dope. You can actually, something that you could do is write a song in ChatGPT, which I think, I think we can do that next, but write a song in ChatGPT about somebody or something. You can put the lyrics in the song or in the description right here in the custom mode, and then customize the tones and stuff like that. And it'll spit out a custom song for like your wife for Valentine's Day or your grandma for whatever. But let's check out Roller Skating Dreams. Let me do it in the welcome to 97.5 in welcome to 97.5. Up next is Roller Skating Dreams, an indie country sweet nostalgia classic.
In a small town where the days were slow, we found our joy on the old roller rink floor. With wheels on our feet, we glide and spin. Underneath those neon lights, we were living again. I remember the laughter, the music so loud, twirling round and round, feeling free in the crowd.
That's cool. I'm going to give it a hot 7 out of 10. Let's check out this one.
In a small town where the days were slow, we found our joy in the old roller rink floor. With wheels on our feet, we glide and spin. Underneath those neon lights, we were living again. I remember the laughter, music so loud, twirling round and round, feeling free in the crowd. The smell of popcorn and the sound of wheels, as we danced to the rhythm our hearts could feel.
course.
Through the ups and downs, they're here to stay. We'll keep rolling on hand in hand, it seems, lost in our own world, and in these roller skating dreams. Oh.
Let me know if you guys are going to use this tool. I'd love to hear about it. If you guys like this video, give it a freaking snappy, thappy thumbs up. And then I'll see you on the next one.